This is Route 7 in Great Falls, Virginia. You can see it's practically whiteout conditions. I can see for about 100 yards, maybe less than that. No vehicles. This is a main road on Route 7. And periodically I've seen during my walk snow plows coming. They've done a pretty good job plowing the main roads here on Route 7, but the snow is just coming down so heavily it's got to be hard to keep up with. And a couple of brave souls driving their vehicles. Why anyone would be driving in this is beyond me, but if I was to guess, I would say currently we have about 2 feet of snow. Anyways, signing off because I got a long walk back to the house.